Alright, everything seems to be set and ready to go. Alright guys, so as you can see in this video, we will be learning about SAT math. Alright, we'll be learning about SAT math. So this will be a pre-post test. Alright, this will be a pre-post test that should take maybe an hour or two. I don't know, maybe I'll do it in two live sessions. Alright, so let's start, boys and girls. Let us start. Alright, let us start. Alright, so for the first one, right, let's so I'll be doing it a bit slowly so you guys can understand everything step by step. Okay. Alright. Hello Sebastian, how's it going? Can you hear me clearly, Sebastian? Is that you? If you can hear me, please let me know. If you can hear me, please let me know. Okay guys, so first question one, they want us to reduce the fractions to the lowest term. So that means we will be dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the greatest common factor. So what we can do guys is we can start, so since you know both are even numbers, right, so we can go in and divide by 2. So when we divide both by 2, right, so 28 divided by 2 is going to give us 14, right? 14 over 42 divided by 2 is going to give us 21, right guys? Now if we take a look at this, we know that both can still be simplified or reduced more. Both can be divided by 7, right? So 7 over 7, which is equal to 2/3 or 2 over 3. So the answer in this one will be 2 over 3, right guys? Very easy, not that difficult at all, right? Not that difficult at all. Sebastian, if you can hear me clearly, please do let me know. All right. So question number 2, pretty easy. They want us to find the product. Product means we are going to multiply them. All right. So again, guys, when you do this, right, usually the answers, they'll always be looking for the answer in the lowest term, right? So it's always good to start off by simplifying them. So we see that 7 and 35 can simplify, right? So 7 will change to 1 and 35 will change to 5, right guys? Same right here, 16 and 24 can be simplified. Both can be divided by 8, right? So 16 will change to 2 and 24 will change to 3, right guys? So what do we have here? We have 1 over 2 multiplied with 3 over 5, which is equal to 3 over 10, right? Which is equal to 3 over 10. So our answer is 3 over 10. Right guys, which is equal to 3 over 10. Now, let's go to question 3. Now we are going to be dividing fraction. Now here's where many students make mistakes. So when we divide fraction, guys, we have to change it to multiplication and we will find the reciprocal of the second fraction. What it means that, so we'll be swapping the numerator with the denominator. So this is 4/7 and we'll change to multiplied with 4/3. All right, 4 over 3. Now if you can take a look at this, nothing on the top and bottom can simplify, right? So 4 times 4 is 16 over 7 times 3 is 21. So our answer is 16 over 21, right guys? 16 over 21. There we go guys, 16 over 21. Now let us go up to question number 4, right? Let's go up to question number 4. Alright, so here what we have, so first we are going to change it to improper fraction, right? So 3 and 1/4. So 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we have 13 over 4 multiplied with 6 times 3 is 18 18 plus 2 is 20 over 3. Right guys, 20 over 3. Now if you can take a look at this, let's see what can simplify, right? So we know 4 can change to 1 and 20 will change to 5, right guys? So let's simplify first, it will make it easier. Now 13 times 5 is 65 over, right? 1 times 3 is equal to 3. Now if you take a look at it guys, we see that the answer are all in mixed fraction. So let us change it to mixed fraction. So we have 3, 21 and 2, right? 3 times 21 is 63. 63 plus 2 will give us 65. So therefore D would be our answer, right guys? D would be our answer. D would be our answer. Now let us go to question number 5. Alright, so when we subtract fraction guys, we have to make sure that the denominators are the same, right? So in order for us to make the denominators equal, we have to find the LCM, lowest common multiple, right? So in this case guys, the lowest common multiple will be 30, right? So we have 11 over 15 times 2 over 2, right, minus 1 over 2 times 15 over 15. So what we're doing is we are making the denominators equal. Now 11 times 2 is 22 over 30, minus with 1 times 15 is 15 over 30. Now we see that the denominators are the same, right? So we can simply subtract the numerator. 22 minus 15 is going to 7. So the answer is 7 over 30, right guys? 7 over 30. Right guys, 7 over 30. Now let me quickly share this to my Facebook page. Right? So if you can come and have a look at it. Right, there we go. Alrighty, share it to my Facebook page. Alright, let us go to question number 6. Alright guys, let's go to question number 6 now. Find the sum. Sum means addition, right? Sum means addition. So again, we are going to change this into improper fraction first. So we have 18 over 5 plus 8 over 3. Correct guys? 5 times 3 is 15. 15 plus 3 is 18. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. Right guys? Alright, now let us go to what we're going to do is we're going to make sure the denominators are equal. So in this case, our LCM will be 15. So this multiplied with 3 over 3. And we have this multiplied 5 over 5. Right guys? So what do we have? 3 times 18 is going to give us 54 over 15. Plus, what do we have? 8 times 5 is 40 over 15, which is equal to 94 over 15. Now, if we change it into a mixed fraction, we have 6, 4 over 15. Right, guys? 15 times 6 is 90. 90 plus 4 will give us 94. So, 6, 4 over 15. Right, guys? 6, 4 over 15. Alright, now let's go to page number 2. Let us go to page number 2. Alright, let me quickly add this. Our next page we'll be looking at operations with decimals. Alright, operations with decimals. So what do we have here, guys? What do we have here? So we have 4.23. So let's write in the column method 4.23, and then we got 3.7, right? 3.7, and 2.006, right? And I'm going to find the sum of it. Make sure when you add it, all the decimals are right below each other. So here is a 6, here is a 3, sorry. Now 2 plus 7 plus 0 is going to give us 9. 4 plus 3 plus 2 is going to give us 9. So 9.936. Pretty easy. Right? Question number 8. Question number 8. What we have today. Question number 17 over 10 is very easy. So 17 over 10, when we divide by 10, the decimal will go one place to the left. So we have 1.7, right? So the answer is 1.7. Very easy. Next one, round to a tens place. A tens place means right here, right? Tens place means right here. So you got to round it to the tens place. So this will be rounded up to the next one, which is equal to 1928.9, because 956 will be rounded off to the 1000, right? So 1000 means we'll round it off to the next whole number. Alright, here we go. So if 1 square yard of carpet costs 15.45, how much will 45.5 square yards cost? Alright, so what we got to do is we have to multiply, right? So we have 15.45 multiplied with 45.5. Alright guys, 45.5. Now let's start multiplying it. So 5 times 5 is 25, right? 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and 2. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 plus 2 is 2 and 2, right? 5 25 plus 2 is 27. And 5 times 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7, right? The next line we start with the 0. Now since it's 5, it's going to give us the same one. So 5, 2, 7, 7, right? Third line we have double zeros, right? We have double zeros. We have double zeros here. Now 4 times 5 is 20, 0, 2. 4, 4, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18, 1. 4, 5, 20 plus 1 is 1 and 2. And then here we'll have 6. Now if we add it all up, we have 5, 7, 9, 22, right? 22, 10, and 7. Now totally we have 3 decimal places, so we'll go 1, 2, 3. Voila, there we go. 702.975. And when we talk about money, we always round it up to 2 decimal places, right? So 975 will be rounded up to 98, right? So the answer is, there we go. The answer is A. Okay guys, so here we have completed 10 questions. So we will keep it at this for now. All right. Now, if I see that many students come to this video and comment, all right, if I see many students come to this comment, we can have a much bigger live session. All right. But of course, I want you guys to come and join. So if you see this, please do hit on the like button, so I know that it helps you guys. And these are all the questions that we will be solving. All right, these are all the questions. So we have approximately 60 odd questions, 64 to be exact. And for the next video, we'll continue from question 11. All right, guys. So until next time, have a nice day.